Let's learn how to enable cookies in Safari. If you've ever wanted to turn on cookies but didn't know how to do it, you don't have to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app on your phone. When you open Settings, you'll be on the main page with many options that are useless for this tutorial. To find the option you need for this tutorial, you need to scroll down. Once you've scrolled down, you'll see the Safari app, and the next thing you need to do is click on Safari. When you've clicked on the Safari app, a page with more options you don't need will open. On that page, you need to scroll down until you reach the Privacy and Security section. But note that they don't have an option to turn cookies on and off. Instead, they've renamed it to something else. If you want to enable cookies on Safari, you need to turn off the option at the top of the Privacy and Security section. This option is called Prevent Cross-Site Tracking, and to disable it, you need to click the green button next to it to turn it gray. Once that button has turned gray, you've successfully enabled cookies on Safari. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.